sponges. Should you use sponges when you clean house, or is that really gross because then you're cross-contaminating from house to house? We're going to talk about that today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question and I get to help you find an answer. Now today's show is brought to us by mycleaningconnection.com, and in there there's a bunch of resources and a bunch of products for house cleaners, and one of them is sponges. And so you'll find a whole section on sponges, different kinds of sponges, different sizes, what they're made of, big ones, little ones, different prices, different colored ones, all those things. So mycleaningconnection.com. Now, on to today's show, which is from a house cleaner who has this question.
Hi, Angela. I was wondering how you felt about using sponges in places like bathroom showers and around the toilet and on the sinks and things like that. Is there anything else that we can use to maybe cut down on costs? Because when you use a sponge, when you have to throw it away, I would hate to take a sponge from one customer's toilet and shower and then use it on another customer's sink or something like that. So what are our options? What's the best way to clean a bathroom? Thank you.
Ooh, gross. Sponges and cross-contamination. All right, first of all, let me say that I'm not a fan of cross-contamination. And so if there's an opportunity for you to have sponges that are specific to each customer's house, you're talking about a great big bin of sponges. So you can buy your sponges in bulk, which is what I recommend. And even places that are like big warehouse discount places like Sam's and Costco, they sell big packs of sponges so that you can have one per customer. Now, how you break that up is up to you. Whether you have an individual pack that you take to each customer's house with their stuff in it. That's always the way that I've preferred to do it, because that way I know when I do my inventory, oh, this is Mrs. Jones tomorrow, this is Mrs. Jones' pack of stuff. Now, back in the days when we used the string mops, before they had those replaceable mop heads that you just throw in the wash, I would have a different mop for every one of my customers. So when I would take on a new account, I would bill in an extra price for a kit. And I created my own kit for that family so that it had their name on it, had their name on their mop, it had their name on the bag with their sponges and all the stuff in it that was for that house exclusively. And then it went in a gallon Ziploc bag so that it's only for that customer, because I don't want to contaminate and I don't want to cross-contaminate. But I do want to bring things like rags and washcloths and stuff like that home that I use on the cleaning so that I can sanitize those and I can clean those before I take them back to the house again. Now, there are things that are up for debate. One of them is, do you use a sponge on toilets? I don't. Personally, I don't use anything except paper towels and spray on toilets for this reason. And I'm talking about the outside of the toilet, the underneath side of the toilet, and the floor around the toilet. Inside the toilet, it's going to have a scrub brush, but that's for a different topic of conversation. I'm talking about using a sponge on a toilet. I don't. Because then wherever you move that sponge throughout the house, then yes, you are carrying those germs. And I only want to make sure that whatever I wipe down on the toilet then goes discarded immediately in the trash. So I'm not a big fan of paper towels except for the toilets. And I do carry paper towels with me for that very reason. So I don't cross-contaminate even inside the same house from toilet to toilet, or from toilet to shower, or from toilet to shower to sink, or any of those things. But I do love the no-scratch scrub sponges for this reason. One side is scrubby, and it's a non-scratch scrubby so that I can use it on fiberglass, like on the bottoms of the bathtubs or the bottoms of a shower. Or I can turn it over and I can use the non-scratch part on the side of a shower door, for example, with some dish soap to get off the soap scum. And so I am a fan of sponges. I do enjoy them. I think they're great for what they're designed to do. But cross-contamination, no, because that is kind of gross and it's kind of icky. Alrighty, so that's my 2 cents for today, and until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.